welcome to another episode of Zaapit. And today I'm about to show you a very cool feature that will allow you to edit metadata for any object in Salesforce. So essentially you will be able to edit fields, pick list, multi-pick list, change orders, change labels, add and remove values in mass very easily, and even play with the JSON if you like, with a find and replace to change all the fields in several places. So let's start with an example. Let's use the account object and go to the active field. Let's view the pick list values. So we have yes and no. Let's change that to yes, just as a quick example. The label, we'll change the label to yes. And the app will also allow you to duplicate values, change order, duplicate values, remove the values using this menu. You can also mark multiple records by holding the mouse down. You have a JSON option if you like to change the code, find and replace the entire code with text editor. Essentially, the changes are being deployed using the Salesforce API and native tools. And that's it. It will be deployed in a few more seconds, and your changes will be applied en masse to all the relevant places. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.